I've been working on a new laser hat design. In this video, I review the major changes. On the left, you see the version from 2023. On the right, the new version from 2024. The new version is much smaller and more modular than the previous one. It supports both brushless and printed circuit board motors. I recommend the brushless motor for reliability. The digital twin accurately represents the physical hardware, down to individual components. You can even see the copper wires of the brushless motor in Blender. Looking at the board in KiCad reveals that the components have both the correct value and position. Cables have been removed where possible. The laser is connected to the backboard via pogo pins. For the most demanding applications, cylinder optics can be used. Cylinder lenses circularize the laser beam and reduce the cross-scan error. The compute module is powered by an ESP32 and a FPGA. On top of this, you place the extension module which connects to the stepper motors and the laser head. The FreeCAD model completely supports the latest assembly module, providing maximum customization for the end user. I plan to build this system in December. Thank you for your time and feedback. It led to this improved video.